Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel where I share SketchUp and visualization tips. It's Monica from EDAC. Today I'm excited to guide you through the entire workflow for interior design projects in SketchUp. The great thing is that I use only SketchUp Pro for this, no AutoCAD, 3ds Max or any other softwares. Let's get started! I start with 2D plans showing various space planning options. I typically receive the floor plan from my clients mostly in PDF format. Based on this plan, I create space planning proposals. These are 2D drawings because many things can change at the start of the design process, and it's important to be able to make quick adjustments. I have my 2D models library, which you can find similar on the 3D warehouse. I place all the furniture, cabinets, couches, TV walls and tables on the plan. When my floor plans are ready, I annotate the rooms on the drawing, indicating the location of the kitchen, living room or bedroom. I highlight the most important dimensions using the dimension tool. Then I export the 2D plans to JPEG and create a small presentation. You can create this presentation by exporting JPEG files and combining them into a PDF using websites like jpeg2pdf.com or similar ones. They are free. Alternatively, you can use softwares like Photoshop, Canva or InDesign to easily create presentations. Another option is to use SketchUp Layout, which comes with SketchUp Pro. If you have SketchUp Pro, you definitely have SketchUp Layout for documentation. You can choose to use it right from the start or later for interior documentation. In the presentation, I include inspirations, mood boards, and floor plan proposals. Then I show them to the client and discuss all my ideas about the floor plan. After the meeting, there will probably be changes to make. Having a 2D plan makes it much easier to apply these changes fast. That's why I start with 2D plans, and once they are approved, I can move forward. Quick announcement. If you want to master SketchUp and create professional projects, I got something special for you. Coming soon, the ultimate SketchUp course. Perfect for beginners and advanced users. If you are interested, be sure to sign up for the mailing list. We'll keep you updated when the course becomes available. The next phase is 3D modeling. I create 3D models beginning with walls, floors, windows and doors. I import 3D models from the 3D warehouse and create and apply materials to the models. This is the full model of the interior project, which looks much more comprehensive compared to the previous 2D floor plans. With this 3D model, I can create 2D plans and perspective views. I still use text and dimension tools to add details to my drawing. I show all the rooms from various perspectives to present the entire interior design. All of this is done in SketchUp. No additional software is needed. Once it's done, I export the scenes to JPEG and create presentation. So here is my presentation of the interior design. You will notice they are much more comprehensive compared to the previous one with the 2D plans. I present inspirations, floor plans and perspectives. I include perspective views with all my suggestions that helps the client to understand my concepts and ideas. In this phase, you can also add visualizations using rendering engines like V-Ray, Enscape or D5 Renderer. For this project, visualizations were not necessary, as SketchUp perspectives were enough for the client. But if your client asks for visualizations, you can create them. Here's an example of visualization created from different interior projects using V-Ray for SketchUp. No additional software is used. I install V-Ray for SketchUp and create visualizations according to the model. If you are interested in 3D visualizations, I offer V-Ray courses on my website edac.org. When your client approves the project, it's time to move on to the next phase, interior documentation. In this stage, you will create floor plans, lighting and electrical plans, elevation views, and detailed drawings. With SketchUp Layout, you can create comprehensive technical documentation for your interior model. I will show you an example of full documentation for an interior design project. Here's how it's set up. First, we have the title page, followed by a list of drawings with visualizations. Then I show the scope of work and the floor plan with annotations and dimensions. Then I explain how to finish the walls with specific materials and colors, and I show the arrangement of tiles or floor planks. Then I include the lighting and electrical plans. Each drawing comes with a legend and notes that are very important because they explain all the symbols I use. Here I show detailed views of the interior design, including where switches and sockets are placed. In SketchUp Layout, I can set precise scales like 1:20 or 1:50, which isn't possible in SketchUp itself. This helps me to export drawings accurately. When client wants custom cabinets, detailed drawings are essential for the woodworker to accurately create design cabinets. First, I show the location of the custom cabinets on the floor plan. Here, I present kitchen cabinets with perspective and 2D views, detailing every aspect. I also provide perspectives and 2D views with annotations for the TV cabinets. Remember, to create custom cabinet drawings with or without fronts, you need to create a proper 3D model in SketchUp, organized with all the groups and tags. In SketchUp Layout, keeping your model organized is key. Here's a tip. Whether you are making technical documentation in SketchUp Layout, a well-structured SketchUp model is essential. Get that right and everything else becomes easier. And this is how I work, and I hope that it helps you too. Now it will be easier for you to create a project for yourself or your clients. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Check out my website edac.org. You will find there many free assets, articles, and SketchUp and V-Ray courses. See you there. Bye!